How is it going, guys? It is time for another new products video. I'm gonna be honest with you. It is slim pickings again this month. We are struggling like everybody else to keep things in stock. So I do appreciate you guys having patience with us, and I apologize in advance. That being said, I'm gonna try to include some featured products that I handpick in these videos that I know are in stock, and I'll go through those after I go through the new products. If you guys have any other suggestions on what you'd like to see included in these videos, whether it's updates on the industry, cars that are coming out, or just behind the scenes stuff, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm always looking for ways to improve these videos for you guys. We're gonna start off inside the engine bay with the Melee Design battery mount kit. This is gonna allow you to get rid of that heavy, bulky stock battery and replace it with a lightweight battery. So those of you who are autocrossing or tracking your car and need your car to be as light as possible, this is gonna be a great option for you, and it's available in either a black or raw metal finish. The next thing we're gonna take a look at is the Faction Fab Catback exhaust system for the FTspeed BRZ and 86. If you're in the market for a new exhaust, but you don't want something that's too obnoxiously loud, but you still want to be able to have that deep, throaty exhaust tone, this is gonna be the perfect option for you. There's basically no drone, it's not too loud so you don't draw unwanted attention to yourself, but you can still hear that exhaust once you get on it. It's made right here in the US, available with either double-walled stainless steel polish tips or burnt tips, and includes everything you need to get them installed. Moving right along, we've got a brand new product from Off the Line Performance, which just happens to be down the street from us. These are their Street Series ignition coils. These cars have a knack for overheating coil packs out on the track. It's the exact reason why I have those various hood louvers installed on the car. But these are gonna be a great replacement or upgrade that also gives you a 10% power output boost. They require no tuning, they're plug and play, and they're gonna be more affordable than the OEM ones. I'm actually gonna throw a set of these on my car to test them out, so be on the lookout for that install video. Jumping over to the Supra, we've got the Fumoto Performance Charge Pipe Kit. This is gonna replace that plastic OEM piping with lightweight aluminum piping, available in either a red or black powder-coated finish. It's also gonna reduce the restrictions by about 42% compared to the OEM one, which is gonna allow you to increase the boost and in turn, go faster. Now, if you're looking to change up the suspension on your Supra, we've got two new options for you. The first one being the Tane Street Advanced Z coilovers. These are 16-way adjustable with spring rates of 6K front, 12K rear. So not only are you able to adjust the ride height on these, you can also dial in the damping adjustments. But if you're looking for something a little bit more simple, you can go with the Swift Spec R Sport lowering springs. These are 4.8K front, 12K rear with a 1.2-inch drop all around. So that pretty much rounds it out for the new products of this month. But like I said, let's talk about some featured products that are currently in stock. Since we just talked about suspension, I'm gonna start off with that. We've got the Tane Flex Z coilovers for the FTspeed BRZ and 86. These are also 16-way adjustable. They come with camber plates in the front, 336-pound springs front and rear. For the front, you're able to lower it to the most is negative 2.3 inches. For the rear, it's negative 3.4 inches. So you've got that height adjustability and the damping adjustment. Next up, we've got the inexpensive Fumoto oil drain valve. This is going to replace your OEM oil drain plug with a valve that makes oil changes super easy. All you have to do is open up the valve to change your oil. Now, a lot of people are worried about the valve accidentally opening up and dumping all of your oil, and that just doesn't happen because it's designed to lock that valve in place until you lift it up and turn the lever. And it also comes with a clip that locks that valve in a closed position so that doesn't happen. And last up, we've got the OLM VL style sequential clear lens taillights. These are basically Valentis. They're the same exact design, made in the same factory. This is the clear lens red bar with black base version. These look good on pretty much any colored FRS, BRZ, and 8.6. It's one of the most popular taillights out there. They've got the sequential turn signal function, they're plug and play, and they look absolutely amazing. And that pretty much does it for this month, guys. If you like something you saw, all the links are down in the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.